Have you ever experienced heavy coughing? Heavy coughing strikes old people more easily in cold weather. Does Oriental medicine have a cure for heavy coughing? Let's find out. As the weather becomes colder and colder, you may see more of disabled older people suffer from heavy coughs and mucous discharge. This is very common for people with weak lungs and poor immune system. Today in Oriental Medical Digest, let's find the prevention and cure for this problem.
어디가 불편하세요?
To treat a heavy coughing, Oriental medicine makes use of various methods of diagnosis. In the West, heavy coughing is considered to be caused by inflammation in the respiratory organs, and so treatments center around eliminating the inflammation. But in Oriental medicine, each patient's constitution is analyzed, and treatment is based on analysis. So even the diagnosis starts off differently from Western medicine. In Oriental medicine, the final decision in diagnosis is made after observing the patient's condition, questioning him about his symptoms, listening to his answers, and feeling his pulse. In this case of heavy coughing, the common cause is dryness in the lungs and overall deterioration in the immune system, and so an elaborate diagnosis in order. Especially since there is heavy coughing, the symptoms are analyzed by listening to the patient. Diagnosis through listening will help the physicians learn more about the patient's condition as he is able to hear the coughing for himself. Heavy coughing can be caused by coldness or smoking. Let's look at the cause that Oriental medicine points out. Colds, weakening of immune system, and unnecessary moisture in the body can all be caused by heavy coughing. Especially when our body fluids decreases, and when hot energy decreases, then heavy coughing may occur.
The heavy coughing that inflicts old people is generally worse at night and at dawn. It is accompanied by white or yellow phlegm. When coughing gets worse, the patient may feel tightness in the chest and have problems breathing. Bad cases usually develop into chronic and spasmodic coughing.
Acupuncture is one way to treat a heavy coughing. Before applying acupuncture, the physician studies the patient's kyunghyeol and then disinfect the area.
In Oriental medicine, the acupuncture point for treating heavy coughing is the kyunghyeol. The kyunghyeol lies along the paths of the kihyeol or the kyunglak. This treatment stimulates the kyunghyeol. The effect of acupuncture generally controls the vital energy of the 12 organs in our body. In cases of heavy coughing, treatment involves stimulating the acupuncture points of the respiratory system. The acupuncture points above are the Taechu and the Cheongcheon. These are usually used to combat cold energy or wind that can cause heavy coughing. The Pesu and the Pungmun also strengthen the energy in the respiratory organs in order to help stop coughing.
This acupuncture treatment enhances the immunity of respiratory organs. Just like the injection needles used in Western medicine, the acupuncture needles are used here are disposable.
This acupuncture point strengthens energy, and so it is especially useful in treating heavy coughing caused by a weak respiratory system. It warms the internal organs and improves their overall function.
So moxibustion is effective on patients with chronic heavy coughing. Because of the warming effect, it is helpful in the treatment of old people. Oriental medicine treats patients with heavy coughs and mucus discharge by acupuncture and moxibustion therapy, and followed by medicinal therapy is necessary. So let's examine some of the Oriental medicine physicians recommend.
This medicine improves overall physical condition and strengthens the respiratory organs, and so it is good for old patients with heavy coughing.
Can you eat this raw?
It is not taken as medicine, but drunk like tea or a concentrated brew. In special cases, it is ground and taken in powder form.
Then, let's take a look at the ingredient that goes into 청상 보화탕. First, there's a herb called gilgyang. Gilgyang is used for heavy coughing and phylogum. And banha is prescribed for heavy phylogum as it eliminates unnecessary moisture in the body. Sukji-hwang strengthens ki, and so it is important ingredient for old people with heavy coughing. Sanyak enhances overall function of the body, and so it's good for improvement of function of the respiratory organs. Omija improves the function of respiratory organs by enhancing the overall function of the body. It is essential herb for old people with weak respiratory organs.
Because old people have weak immune systems, drastic temperature changes are bad for them. For example, sudden exposure to cold winds or exercising in the early morning wouldn't be good. Special attention should be paid to keeping warm.
I heard that there's a remedy anyone could use at home. Can you give us the ingredients?
The herbs used in this tea can be easily obtained. Ginger relieves coughing and removes phlegm. Apricot stones also help relieve coughing and remove phlegm as well. Ginseng is a good herb for people with weak lungs. And jinpi, which is made from dried mandarin peels, is effective in removing phlegm. Making tea with these herbs and drinking them habitually is a good way to prevent or treat heavy coughing. Try it for yourself.
Living healthy life is very important. And as we all know, people with healthy body have healthy mind. So let's start early by taking good care of our body. And just remember, earlier the better, but better late than never. Thank you very much for joining us today, and see you again next time.